Hi, we have a new feature in Textura. So from now on, let's say you're gonna open a fabric, ready fabric, and you wanna recolor it. So if I'll hit edit button and I'll choose color, I can choose a new color here, for example. Okay, that's a bold one. And I'll hit save as. When I hit save as, from now on, you can select this fabric, the new fabric that's going to be created as a colorway. So if I'll check this checkbox for a colorway, I'll hit submit and got it. And now if you can see, my original fabric, main fabric, got this main icon. The new fabric got this colorway icon. If I'll enter the original fabric and I'll scroll down here, I can see main fabric, that's the original leopard color, and a colorway. Now this colorway now has the same color because it is still processing, generating the maps. Let's see, for example, a fabric that is already generated. So this fabric is a main, and I've got main fabric here, colorway here. Now, if I'll go for the colorway, for example, you'll see colorway mark with gray background to show that this is the current fabric and there's the main. So they're all linked. They all have this parent colorway relationship. Now let's say, for example, that I've pressed the button recolor. I'll hit edit, color, and let's see which one I choose. Oh, that's a nice one. Save as, and I forget to mark the colorway tick box. I just hit submit. Got it. Now, the new fabric will be created without a symbol. It's not a main, it's not an icon, it's a fabric stand on its own. If I want to change it, if I want to fix that, for example, and this one is also a colorway not linked, for example, I can click that three dots here, link colorway. I can choose this fabric. I'll hit OK, I understand this one is still generating. Now this one is linked, and if I'll check the main, it is added to the list, and main is here. And if I'll check each one of them, they're also added to the list. Now, if you'll choose a colorway and you'll click Edit, Color, choose a new color from a colorway. Okay, save as, and I'll choose colorway. This colorway will be added to the list of the colorway. So the colorway that we've recolored will stay as a colorway. The new recolor version will be added to the main. Now my main fabric has 3 versions as colorway and 1 main. At any point you can click here and unlink if you want to unlink any of the colorways. Now another feature that is added here is filter by. On the right corner you can filter by all your fabrics, only ones that are defined as main, and only ones that are colorway. If you have more fabrics in your account that are either main or colorway and it was made prior to this update, no worries. All you'll need to do is press that 3 dots, hit link colorway, choose your colorway. Let's say which one will fit right now. I'll choose this one. Okay, I understand, and that's it. I guess this one is already a colorway. So once you link them, let's see which one is the main. Once you link them, they will get the relationship, that's the main, and that's the colorway. Yep, there is the right icon, main colorway icon. So I hope you enjoy that quick tip and that you'll find it useful for your needs, and see you on the next update. Bye.